Now, President William Ruto's government goes for the former powerful Cabinet Secretary for Interior, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who served in President William Ruto's tenure. The case alleging mismanagement of funds earmarked for internally displaced persons IDPs in Kenya has taken another turn, now being handled at the Kisii High Court days after the Kenyatta's ally showed interest in presidency seat. The lawsuit, which was initiated in 2022, revolves around claims that money allocated in the 2017-2018 national budget for IDPs resettlement was misappropriated. Petitioners have raised concerns about widespread irregularities, alleging that the funds were funneled to fictitious beneficiaries. Among these alleged recipients are non-existent IDPs and unsuspecting boda operators, suggesting a well-orchestrated scheme to divert public resources. Originally filed in the High Court in Nairobi, the case was transferred to Kisii to provide easier access for the petitioners, many of whom hail from the region. The move is also expected to expedite the judicial process by bringing it closer to the communities most affected. The petition was filed by Reverend Bishop Brethren Nemwel Momanyi, a representative of the IDPs, who is seeking transparency and accountability from government officials overseeing the funds. At the heart of the petition is a demand for clarity on how the funds were utilized during the tenure of former Interior Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i and his then Principal Secretary Karanja Kibisho. Justice Chacha Mwita, who initially handled the case in Nairobi, directed that the respondents be served with official notices compelling them to appear before the court. These notices require the former officials to provide detailed responses within 15 days. Failure to do so will allow the case to proceed in their absence with potential legal and reputational consequences. The matter is now slated for a formal hearing before Justice Teresia Odero at the Kisii High Court. The petitioners are adamant that the former officials must present a thorough account of how the funds were spent, pointing to corruption and irregularities in the disbursement process. This is Cuba News.